Welcome to yet another maths lesson, and I hope you're ready to continue your learning on probability, specifically sample spaces grade 10, and we're looking at the EOT for term 3, question 2. Very quickly, we have to complete example 1, which appears on page 365, and example 1 to 4 on page 369. What do I need to know in order to define a sample space? A sample space simply means what are all the possibilities of a particular experiment. So if we look at the fair dice, a fair die means that there are no incorrect numbers there, or alternatively a number is not repeated. So if we look at the sample space of rolling a die, right, the sample space is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 because these are the only numbers that can appear on the dice. So if we look at the sample space, if we want to find a prime number, we need to understand what a prime number is. A prime number simply is a number into which only one and itself can fit in. So it is not divisible by any other factor. So if you look at the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, we do not recognize 1 because 1 is a special number. So the other numbers would be 2, 3, and 5. So the prime numbers would be 2, 3, and 5. Your sample space is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Moving ahead, we're going to quickly look at example 1 to 4. The first one being, define the sample space S of a fair coin. We know that in a coin, you only have the heads and tails, so that is your sample space. A numbered spinner with 6 equal parts spun once, that gives us sample space is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Once again, prime number, we already know what a prime number is, and it will be 2, 3, and 5. A dodecagon is a 12-sided figure, a 12-sided dice, and the numbers that appear there would be 1 to 12, so that constitutes our sample space. Even numbers, so you go back to the dodecagon sample space and look for all your even numbers. Even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. Question 4. A lettered spinner with 5 equal parts is spun once. So what are the letters? A, B, C, D, and E. So that is our sample space. Question B, what is the sample space for landing on a vowel? So what is a vowel? We know that vowels comprise of the letters A, let me change the color here, A, E, I, O, and U. So if we look at our spinner here, we only have A and E. Therefore, the sample space of the vowel would be A and E. I hope this has helped you to better understand sample spaces, and as usual, never give up, stay focused, stay positive, and stay strong. Thank you. See you in our next video.